We've got a nice fight coming up between Santiago Dominguez and Jose Sanchez. Santiago Dominguez is an undefeated boxer, a great undefeated boxer out of Mexico. Jose Sanchez is on a roll right now, but Santiago Dominguez, 5'8", 70 inches of reach, out of Fort Worth, Texas. He has knockouts over Norberto Casco, Jesus Antonio Rubio, Ricardo Lara, very amazing, and Jose Sanchez knows to defend himself very well. He's 5'7" out of Albuquerque, New Mexico. Lost to Xander Zayas and Yahya Takir, but defeated Eric Tudor, Rashad Shahid, Reggie Harris Jr. He is a very technical boxer, unlike Santiago Dominguez, and this fight could actually turn ugly because when two very technical guys square off against each other, that might actually be a big problem because fans don't like to watch those type of fights. Me, I just say it's going to be a nice long war, and I'm going to go with over 6.5. But my side call gonna be Santiago Dominguez to win.